think we're rolling.
Hey.
Hey Joe, how's it going?
Tempting to cross the river.
We are in Moose Factory right now. We're going Moosonee. Here we go.
One of the last trips across.
The last one, I would say. That's sick. So we are March 16th, 2010.
Starts banging and the field sauce. You can't handle my heart. Yeah. Country queens, man, you gotta admit that it's in them jeans. Ain't nothing wrong, just getting on. You're really wrong, but wrong, but wrong, wrong. You're really wrong, but wrong, but wrong, wrong.
We're up to the first puddle, I think.
Wrong, but wrong, but wrong, wrong. You're really wrong, but wrong, but wrong, wrong.
Yes, we're all red dot. I mean, they're filming it.
Outstrip on the highway.
This is the good part of it.
It's gonna get pretty fun.
Hey, my name's Isaac. I'm headed back to work for lunch, and I wanted to hear Big Green Tractor. If you can make that happen, that would be completely
Oh, I can zoom in, eh?
All right, thanks.
No problem, man. Take care. She had a shiny little Beamer with the rag top down, sitting in the drive, but you wouldn't get out. Donkey walking and wagging around.
Okay, first puddle.
Just laughed and said, "You all get in." She had on a new dress and she curled her hair. She was
small one.
too good not to go somewhere. Said, "What you wanna do, baby? I don't."
Two-wheel drive.
Yeah, let's not forget, it's two-wheel drive this truck. Whoa!
Let this guy
We are at the base at the James Bay. But what, 6 mile up, Joe, is James Bay? Yeah, I think so. Okay, this is where the fun begins. Let me remind you people, we're on a river right now. I'd say what, there's at least a foot of water, Joe,
oh, yeah.
Not more. Got the wipers going and everything. Do not stop. Trying to keep her still there, but it's a bit hard, sorry.
Okay, I think we're gonna... Should I let this guy go by?
Let this guy go by there, because it's kind of like a one-way street. Too bad. Yo. Too bad, he says.
You better roll up your window, buddy. That's the guy we passed last time.
Oh yeah?
Look at this.
Hey, look at it. Go! Should have filled the trunk with some styrofoam just in case, eh? Bring a couple of paddles.
No, I think we're through it now.
We're good. I think we're good.
We're here, maybe. Yeehaw!
Woohoo!
We did it.
That's how we roll, eh, Joe?
Moose Factory, that's how we roll.
We did it.
You guys in your paved road?
Piece of cake, yeah, eh?
Paved.
Nice
That-
paved road over there. And we're on dry land. Alright, anything you want to say before I close her?
I think I shot over there, like, right by there.
Do a little zoom in on the river there.
Do you think I stuck this morning?
Yeah.
Go where we go? Go over there after that.
Joe seems a little relieved there. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as we did.